Hey guys, so we are at the end of the trip and we just arrived last night to Lefkas harbor, and it's been an amazing week. Honestly, it has really reached and overcome my expectations. I think all our people, our guests that were at the trip, also same thing. We are now on the west side of the Lefkas. We did today a little tour around the island, saw some amazing beaches, some amazing places, and this was kind of like the last day of the trip, which helped us to calm down a little bit after the whole week. It was full of amazing experiences. We've seen amazing places and dive amazing places as well. And we had probably the best crew you can ask for. The guys immediately felt like we know each other for years, even though we just met the first time. Obviously, I had some issues coming in, but that went and worked out all well. So thanks for that, and thanks for all that helped. And we have put together a little video day by day as we went, with the highlights of each day for you guys, so you can experience a little bit with us. And yes, we basically started in Nidri, where the guys met me in the evening because I was coming a few hours late. And from there, next day in the morning, we went just from the harbor around the island. And that's where we did the first training session. So we were training a little bit shallower in a nice little bay next to the beach, and guys were just getting used to the new setup, the boat, the conditions, the wetsuits, getting the weighing done and all that. And from there we just took off immediately and started exploring the area. With every day we spent in another place. Some days we were just harboring in a nice beautiful base, which super quiet, sheltered from the wind, where we could just either explore the local villages, local ports, and have some nice meals. We also tried on a couple of days spearfishing, and some guys were new to it, some guys just observed. We even managed to catch some nice fish and have this for dinner. So this was overall a really successful trip, and I really hope that next year we can make it again. Maybe we'll make even 2 trips, one after another. So if you guys are interested in joining us, make sure you get in contact. And now just enjoy some nice shots that we managed to get together and put together for you from the trip. Enjoy it, guys, and I'll see you around. Starting Sunday afternoon, we should be boarding a boat in Greece. Saying we should board because as of right now I am not allowed to travel. Having to do a PCR test, which I already done on Thursday. Now I don't have the results as of yet, but they won't let me on the plane to Athens without the result. It's impossible to get it online. It's impossible to get it by email. I just have to go and call or wait for the call from somebody with the result. It is 15 minutes to the end of the check-in for my flight to Athens, and I got my results. I cannot believe. I have my flights right here. I'm boarding now the plane, and in the next 3 hours or so I'll be in Athens, hopefully. Guys, I cannot believe I actually made it to Greece. I'm in Athens now. I just landed. So stoked. I'm so happy that I actually made it. Okay, wish me luck, and I'll report from the boat. Morning, guys. Good morning from the Greece. We made it. It's the first day. We had a nice sleep last night. We are now in a small beach just before the first dive. Guys are already getting ready. right behind me. We just had a quick breakfast. We're going to test out the waters. Our first night was in village Vathi. We had amazing dinner in a local farm restaurant, followed by next day easy morning and walk around. The plan for the day was morning dive session and later some cave exploring. The wind was in our favor. It was time to open the sails. We are moving to another location for more exploring and to get some dinner in the most sustainable and ecological way, by spearfishing. Spearfishing in Greece is not easy, but with help of Ellias and Panos we managed to catch some dinner, which we enjoyed that same evening on the boat. Next stop was a beautiful village Chioni. After a slow afternoon enjoying the views, we sat down for dinner at a local restaurant only meters from our boat, while chefs prepared the rest of yesterday's catch and some local dishes for us to enjoy. Welcome to Castos, this quiet little marble of Ionen Islands only harbors 30 or so people. We have spent night here, resupplied, enjoyed tranquility, fresh fish and stargazing before retiring. We have started our last day with the best training session of the week, breaking personal records. Slowly making our way back to Lefkas, where we could visit some amazing beaches and epic views.